Renting your first place in Poland as a student or a foreign worker can feel like a financial maze. You see an apartment listed for 2000 zloty, but when the bill arrives, it's suddenly 2800 Polish zloty. Today, we are revealing the true costs of renting across the Poland's biggest cities. From budget student rooms to premium apartments, we'll cover the main portals, the truth about the real estate agents, and exactly how much you need to earn to live comfortably alone or with a partner. First, where do you actually find a flat? Don't rely on random social media posts only. Use Poland's primary search engines, for example, Odstępne. The industry standard, mostly direct owners and verified agencies with high quality listings. OLX.pl, based for direct owner listings, budget rooms, options, individual room rentals, which also you can say pokoi. Nieruchomości online.pl or horizon.pl, great secondary portals for comparative pricing. And at the end, you can look for also some Facebook groups in the Facebook pages where you can look for the flats. You can enter the city name, for example, Krakow or Warsaw. It's good for direct rentals, but always inspect the flat in person before transferring any money. In Poland, apartment sizes are categorized by rooms. A studio is called kawalerka, which is typically 20 to 30 square meter. A two-room flat is dwopokoje, which is 40 to 50 square meter, and three-room flat is trzypokojowe, which is 3 rooms, more than 60 square meter usually. Prices vary significantly depending on the tier of the city and apartment quality. For example, tier 1 cities in Poland, Warsaw, Krakow, Wrocław, Gdańsk. As a budget single room in shared flat, you can easily count 1000 to 1600 Polish zloty in total. If you go for a medium, standard 1 bedroom or 2 room flat, 2800 to 4000 Polish zloty is the base rent. And if you are looking for a luxury or premium flats, which is typically a modern condo in the city center or around, it goes up to 4500 to 7500 Polish zloty as a base rent. Now we go to the tier 2 cities, which is Katowice, for example, Łódź, Poznań and Bydgoszcz. The budget in tier 2 cities like Katowice, a single room in a shared flat can easily go between 800 to 1300 zloty in total. If you go for a medium, like standard 1 bedroom or 2 room flat, can go between 2000 to 3000 zloty net, and premium can easily go from 3500 up to 5500 Polish zloty base rent. But here, the crucial warning on the expenses. The price on the listing is almost never the final price. In Poland, rental costs are split into: first is what goes to the owner, base rent, which is Odstępne. Then second one goes to the admin fee, to the building admin fee, which is cover trash, heating advance, building maintenance, typically 400 to 900 zloty per month. Then media, utilities, for example, electricity, gas, internet, typically between 150 to 350 zloty per month. Many listings on Odstępne and OLX are posted by the real estate agencies. Here is the reality you should know. Commission fees. Agencies charge a one-time fee, usually equivalent to 1 month's base rent plus 23% VAT. Limited support. Once the tenancy agreement (umowę is signed and the agent gets paid, their job is done. They generally do not handle day-to-day maintenance, landlord disputes or repair issues. You will deal directly regarding these things with the property owner. Security deposit, which is kaucja. Expect to pay a refundable deposit equal to 1 to 2 months of the total rent upfront. Always document existing damages in a written protocol on moving day so you can get your deposit back when you are leaving. To live a stable, comfortable life in Poland, covering rent, decent groceries, utilities, transit, social life and minor savings, here is what you should target in net monthly earnings. Now, if you are living alone, For example, if you are living in standard 1 bedroom or studio. For the tier 1 cities, total living costs run around 4,500 to 5,500 Polish zloty per month. To live comfortably without financial strain, you should aim to earn at least 6 to 7,000 Polish zloty in your hand. In tier 2 cities, for example Katowice, Łódź, Poznan, total living costs run around 3,500 to 4,200 Polish zloty per month, so the target income should be 5,000 to 6,000 Polish zloty net. Living as a couple, who in a sharing 2-room flat, tier 1 city, combined monthly expenses run around 6,500 to 8,000 zloty. Combined household income target at least 9,000 to 11,000 zloty net. Tier 2 city, combined monthly expenses run around 5,000 to 6,500 zloty. Combined household income target 7,500 to 9,000 Polish zloty net. Note, if you are a university student sharing a flat with roommates, you can survive on 2,500 to 3,200 Polish zloty total monthly budget. Renting in Poland requires careful reading of the full cost breakdown, verifying the landlord, and budgeting for the deposit and agency fees ahead of time. If you found this housing guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to GoJDTravels for more practical advice on living in Poland, and leave a comment below with any questions about renting. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you soon in my next travel vlog. Do zobaczenia.